Hi everybody, we are back with another product video for you today. This time we will be unboxing and taking a look at the Jabra Engage 55 DECT wireless headset. We have a lot more product videos like this coming out, so please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. This headset uses military-grade secure DECT technology instead of Bluetooth, giving it about 490 feet of wireless range. This wireless headset has dual microphone array to cancel noise and provide crystal clear audio, plus dual speakers optimized for speech clarity, making this the perfect business headset for in-office or at home. Also, with about 13 hours of talk time, you won't have to worry about staying near your desk or near a charger, making this great for the hybrid worker. When you are choosing your Engage 55 headset, you will have a couple of different options. The first option is going to be choosing between the UC version or the Microsoft Teams version. This specific headset I have here is going to be the UC version. The second option is going to be which Jabra Link 400 DECT adapter you want, the USB-A or the USB-C. This one is going to be the USB-C version. The third option is going to be whether you want the stereo version or the mono version. That's going to be based on comfortability or environmental factors. This one is the stereo version. And then the last option you would choose would be whether you want just the headset or if you want the charging stand to come with it for wireless charging. If you don't have the charging stand, you will just get a standard cable for standard charging on normal USB compatible charging devices. So now, let's take a look at the headset. There we go. Easy to open box. Right away on top we see we have our carrying case. Again, making it perfect for the hybrid worker, easy to carry. Inside the carrying case we have our headset, our standard charging cable, and then here's going to be our USB-C dongle. Let me keep that up there. And then, oops. The last thing in the box will be our charging stand, and I'll get this set up. Okay, so we're going to take these plastic things off here, show off the headset, and here we have it. So we can move our microphone down. It goes either way. Put it right over our head. We got the swivel ears. We go all the way around. Able to set flat on our desk here like this. And adjust this adjustable headband to fit any size head. It sits comfortable right over my head and on my ears. Perfect. So the Engage 55 is going to be very easy to use. To power it on, all you're going to do is hold down the power button here on the side, and you'll hear it say power on. And then you're only going to have 3 more buttons. You're going to have the volume up, the volume down, and then you're also going to have a mute button here by the microphone. And then you'll see by the microphone you will also have a busy light, so when you are on a call that will show up red, letting people around you know that you are on a call. The headset will also be very easy to charge on the charging stand. What you will do is you find the side with the microphone. You will see the little charging port right here on the bottom, and all you have to do is match it up right here on the stand, and it will stick in just like that. A closer look at our headset here and our buttons. Power on. Volume up, volume down. This is also answer end. our mute, our busy light. To use your Jabra Link 400 adapter, what you do is you take the USB side, plug it into your desktop or your laptop, whichever device you want to use with your headset, and you hold down the sync button here on the adapter, as well as the power or the sync button here on the Engage 55 headset, and your headset should now be synced up with the device that you wish to pair with. A closer look at our adapter. Hold down the sync button here to pair. The Jabra Engage 55 DECT wireless headset is a great business headset for the hybrid worker. Thanks to the secure DECT technology, you'll get plenty of wireless range and is very comfortable to wear. If you have any questions about this headset or any other headsets, feel free to check out our website at www.ipphone-warehouse.com or give us a call at 888-201-9056. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next product video.